Alrighty, what's up guys? This is Joey, and I'm glad to be back to do another battle box with you guys. I'm glad I had the opportunity to do that. Now, sadly I already took this video, and I did mess up on the audio somehow, and the audio came out really bad, so I'll try my best to be enthusiastic or seem surprised when I open up these things. Now, that being said, let's hop right into it. Now we're gonna just take everything out of the box so you guys can kind of get a good view of it. This is definitely a way better size box than last one I got. Now hopefully we got some goodies in here. Now first thing on the list, I want to open up this axe. This is what caught my eye last time. Alright. Now, first impressions, I will say the first thing that caught my eye last time was this handle. I do like this handle. This handle is a lot better than my other axe. We went camping not too long ago, and I brought an axe, and I definitely did not like it. So hopefully, now this feels like it's a lot better in the hand. I'm hoping next time we go camping, I get to use that thing. Now this is the Yankee axe by Fox Italy, sorry. Now, Fox Italy is known for high quality and rugged durability with their products. This is also called the FX700. Now, this bad boy has an ash handle with a C45 steel head, and it has a really nice leather sheath. It feels pretty nice. Uh-oh. Oh, thought the camera turned off. All right. Now, this bad boy has a blade coating that's Merino. Hopefully I said that right. And it has an overall length of 14.96 inches and a blade length of 1.08 inches. And the weight of this thing is 31.75 ounces. And it is made in Italy. Yeah, I'm excited to use this thing. Hopefully we get to use it next camping trip. Alright, on to the next. We're just going to put that off to the side. We're going to hop right into this K-Tac karambit. Now the K-Tac is a fixed karambit blade that combines traditional aesthetics with modern practicability. The K-Tac features a 190-degree curved blade that allows for efficient cutting and slicing while enhancing its puncturing ability, making it adaptable for tactical scenarios and utility tasks. Oh, sorry, man. I have to butcher that one. It has an ergonomic handle and textured for secure grip. It has a finger ring for added control. And it also has a multi-position 360-degree sheath. So you can twist and turn this however way you like. This thing is compact and lightweight. And I can't wait to the next scenario where I have to use a knife. I would like to use this one. Now this thing, let's pull her out for you guys so you guys can check her out. It's pretty nice. I like it. It's not very big. You can see from my hand here. Feels like a pretty nice size. I have pretty decent sized hands, and it does fit in my hand. That's nice. Now the overall length of this bad boy is 8.15 inches. Blade length is 3.15 inches. And the blade is made out of D2 steel. And it has an injected molded sheath. Heck yeah. Definitely excited to use this thing. Like it comes with a little box, you know what I mean? Probably end up keeping it in there until I end up needing it. I like when they come with little cool stuff like that. Alright, moving on to the next is we have this combo knife sharpener. Since we're already on the topic of talking about knives and axes, what better to bring up is a combo knife sharpener. Now this thing has precise 25-degree angle guides to achieve sharper than new results effortlessly. Say goodbye to dull blades and hello to high performance sharpening made easy with the combo knife sharpener. All right, let's open this thing up. I know you guys probably want to see it. Oh yeah. Now this is a nice size. I will say this would be great for on the workbench because It's taking little to no room up on your desk. Have plenty of room left on there for all your other little things. Now this cool thing, I will say that it's cool they brought an extra, or they give us an extra sandpaper, because I'm sure, I don't know about you guys, but for me, all of my knives in my kitchen are pretty dull. So that being said, this first belt is definitely going to get its use out of it, for sure. Now we're just going to just set that back in the box. The Work Sharp Combo Knife Sharpener makes it easy to keep your blade razor sharp with a simple setup that combines flexible abrasive belt and ceramic honing system. Alright, moving on to the next thing. We got this little mat here. Let's see what this thing is called. This is the Tactica EDC mat. Now, like many of you, I'm sure, myself including, when I get home at night when I'm laying down, I go throw all my things that are in my pockets on my nightstand, and they always seem to fall off. I'm just glad to have this with us. I'm definitely going to be testing this product out tonight. So that being said, this thing has a 3-mat small tray for small items such as earbuds, keys, loose change, etc. Right? Now the main area is for your larger items such as knives, phone, wallet, whatever. And it also features this cool topographic design that allows for grip, so it doesn't just slide off so easy. So this is definitely going to be a cool one to use. Not as cool as the axe, we'll say, but I'm glad to have it because I probably wouldn't have never bought it myself. So glad I got it in this battle box. Thank you guys. All right, let's move on to the next thing. Now here we have the MTN Ops electrolyte. Well, bam, here we go. Now you can either take this bad boy straight to mouth to refill your body when you need it the most, providing a boost of essential minerals for hydration, including potassium, magnesium, sodium, manganese, and zinc. Now, you can also take it, mix it in your water instead of having to dry scoop it. Preferably me, I wouldn't do that, but you never know what you might need at that time during that situation, hypothetically. Packs give you a quick dose of electrolytes for muscle function and restoring electrolyte levels as you train, hike, or just being active. Now these are true on-the-go electrolytes that you can pour directly in your mouth or mix with water, like I said before. They're easy to pack and they come in a variety, so you can choose the flavor you like the best. Now that's pretty cool. I'll be definitely using that next time I go on a hike and see if I have any difference. And if you guys are curious, definitely just reach out to us in the comments and we'll definitely get back to you. So on to the next thing we have. Let's see if you guys know what this is. Do you know? Having this in your kit provides you an easy way to access clean water for drinking, cooking, or even hygiene purposes during a natural disaster, such as hurricanes, floods, or earthquakes. Now, this is a great thing to have on your go bag. This would be great. I never even thought about it, to be honest, so I'm just glad I even have it. That's another cool thing about these battle boxes. You never even know what you might need, and you even just get it in your battle box. So definitely shout out to them. Now that's it for us. I feel like it gone by so fast talking to you guys. Let me know if I need to improve anyway. Thank you for having me. That's it for today's battle box. Throw everything back in here. Excited. Peace. Stay safe and stay prepared.